Okay, let us see some usage of nylon. Okay, so the first uses of nylon is garments such as saris are made up of nylon. Since it is wear resistant, garments made from it last for long time. Okay, being very strong, nylon fibers is used to make ropes, including ropes used during rock climbing. Okay, so you predict how strong is it. Tents, fishing nets, and parachutes. It has good elasticity and is therefore useful for making socks and stockings. Nylon is also used for making toothbrush, combs, jeep fasteners, machine parts. So you can see some product made up of nylons. I am writing only these product. Okay, not too much. I am just writing the product made from nylons, like garments. Second one is ropes. Third one is tents. Fourth, fishing nets. Fifth, parachutes. Socks. Seventh, toothbrush. Combs. Jeep fasteners, and some machinery part also, some machine parts also. Okay, so you need to write down these all things which are made up of nylons and the uses of nylons to manufacturing this product. Okay, let us move to another type of synthetic fiber, which is polyester. Okay, let us discuss about polyester. Okay, so the next synthetic polyester fiber is polyester. Okay, after nylon we need to discuss about polyester. Polyester is manufactured from petroleum. Polyester means poly plus ester, is made by repeating units of chemical called an esters. So many esters, polyester. Okay, so many esters combined, okay, and make polyester. It has the property similar to those of nylons. Okay, and it is very strong, crease resistance, light, elastic, and absorb very little water. So the property of polyester is as similar as nylon. With the cotton it makes polycot, and with wool it makes polywool. Okay, and the cloths made from these mixed fibers are more comfortable to wear than those made of the pure polyester. Okay, so we are not wearing pure polyester cloth. We are wearing the mixture of polyester plus cotton, which is said to be polycot, and polyester plus wool, which is said to be polywools. Okay, which are more comfortable than polyester. Terylene, Dacron are the different type of polyester fiber. Okay, let us write down some important terms from this paragraph. Okay, by which you should also make your notes. First of all, we need to write down polyester is manufactured from petroleum. Polyester is made up of two terms, poly and ester. Okay, repeating units of chemicals, repeating units of element. So it is made up of repeating units of chemicals, which is known as ester, Okay, it is often mixed with natural fibers to make cloth. Mixed with natural fibers to make cloths, like polyester plus cotton, polycot, and polyester plus wool, which is polywool. Okay, so these are the mixture which are the more comfortable to wear. Okay, terylene, terene, and dacron are different types of polyester fibers. Okay, if we talk about properties of polyester, so it is same as nylon. Okay, so do not necessary to write now, you also write from previous property. Okay, so you will write the property of polyester from the property of nylon. Okay, and these are the important terms we need to repeat it. Polyester is manufactured from petroleum. Okay, and it is made up of repeating units of chemicals, which is known as ester. It is often mixed with natural fibers, okay, to make cloths, and that cloths are comfortable to wearing than the pure polyester. Polyester plus cotton are made up of polycot. Polyester plus wool are called polywool. Okay, trilene, terene, and dacron are the different type of polyester fibers. Okay, thank you.